I'm here today to talk to you about the new Rubbermaid commercial product Spill Mop. It's a better and a faster solution for removing spills compared to traditional tools used today, like string mops and napkins. When you think about removing a spill with something like a string mop, the floor is going to be left wet for 10, maybe even 20 minutes after the spill itself has been removed. Obviously, this is a huge hazard to a facility of slips, trips, and falls. With the Spill Mop, it can leave the floor completely dry after use so that it's no longer a hazard to the facility. Something really special about this product that makes it such a superior solution for removing spills is the polyacrylate powder that's inside this mop pad. Polyacrylate is a powder with a huge absorption capacity. This one pad can absorb up to 32 ounces of water. Polyacrylate also turns liquid into gel when it comes in contact with it so that it won't leak or drip back out of this mop onto the floor. Now I'm going to show you the proper way to use your spill mop. First, you're going to take your collapsed spill mop handle, and to extend, you're going to press down on the yellow buttons while pulling apart both of the two sections. To attach the mop pad, you're going to lift up on the tabs on the side of this handle, insert the headband of the mop pad, and then close to secure. So for demonstration purposes today, I have about 16 ounces of colored water. Again, that's only half the capacity of this product. I'm going to spill that on the floor to show you just how quickly this product can absorb. When you're using the spill mop, it's best to let it rest in the center of the spill for a couple seconds so that the product can activate. Again, unlike a string mop or a napkin, this product can absorb all the liquid on the floor and leave it safe to walk on so that it's completely dry. So you don't want to stop cleaning with this until all the liquid has been removed. The polyacrylate is going to trap the liquid inside the mop head and turn it into a gel, so it's not going to leak or drip back out onto the floor. Another really special thing about this product is you don't have to come in contact with the soiled mop pad or the spill at all. When you're ready to dispose of it, you just take it over to the trash, open up the tabs on the side again, and release it to dispose. When you're done, you just collapse the handle back to its compact state, and it's easy to store nearby wherever you need it most. Now that I've shown you the proper way to use your spill mop, I want to tell you a little bit more about the other products we have in this line. So to go along with our collapsible spill mop handle, we have 10 packs of spill mop pads that come in general purpose and biohazard versions. The general purpose version can absorb up to 32 ounces of water, and the biohazard version can absorb up to 32 ounces of water or 13.5 ounces of bodily fluid. All of these things can be stored in our spill mop cabinet, which can be mounted to most wall surfaces. It can hold one spill mop handle and up to 2 packs of 10 spill mop pads. It's also ADA compliant, so it can be used in healthcare facilities as well. For more information on the Spill Mop and our other products, please visit us at www.rubbermaidcommercial.com.